Listen to this. Kaya nga sinabi ng Lord sa Deuteronomy, even with Israel, sabi niya, the Lord did not set His love, look at the words, did not set His love upon you, O Israel, or choose you because you were the greatest of people, for you were at least of all people. No, it was because the Lord loved you. Period. Kaya kung lahat ng ating pagbabase nasa external, sa bagay na material, panlupa, tapos na tayo. But what God is saying is this, I love you, period. And Lord, siguro dahil masipag ako noon, dahil masipag ako sa pag-aaral, dahil mabait ako. No, I just love you. Lord, kasi kung naligtas ako dahil ang bait ko. Hindi, just because I love you. Nagkakaintindihan po? Kaya nothing can separate us from the love of Christ. Simply because I love you. I save you because I love you. Period. Nothing to do with your qualification.